friends, I'm Miss Amy from the Innisfil Ideal Lab and Library. What toys do you like to use in your story times? I love to use light fabrics and scarves for my sing-alongs and of course for my dance parties. So let's grab a piece of light fabric or scarf today, grab your babies, and let's get ready to play. Our first rhyme today is all about the rain on the grass, so my scarf is going to become the rain. Rain on the grass, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftop, but none on me. So we use our scarves to just dangle all over baby. Let's try it again. Rain on the grass, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftop, but not on me. Excellent. All right, and our next rhyme goes a little something like this. The rain is falling down, splash. The rain is falling down, splash. Pitter patter, rain is falling down, splash. And now I'm going to switch scarves because the next part is about the sunshine. The sun is peeking out, peek. The sun is peeking out, peek. Peeking here, peeking there. The sun is peeking out, peek. Have some fun playing some peekaboo. Keep dancing and playing with those scarves, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.